So what I'm doing is just scan your wallet and I give you all the money I have. Hello, future millionaire. I'm making a spontaneous video about the ease of use of Bitcoin Cash. And I have here somebody who is from Austria. Hello, Florian.
Hi.
Hey, you're from Österreich, huh?
Yes, I do.
Ah, okay. And you're here as a tourist? Working here?
I'm here as a study abroad student, so...
Ah, I see. Cool. Because we were just now talking about ease of use of crypto, and Florian actually tried to invest in crypto, but he found it too difficult to use, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of...
That's true. And guess what, Florian? I think the reason is because you're trying to use the wrong kind of crypto. I want to introduce you to a crypto that's so easy to use. You can do it within the next 1 minute, 30 seconds to 60 seconds, depends on the download speed of your phone. Okay. Do you have a smartphone with you?
Yeah, of course.
Cool. What phone do you use?
And OnePlus 7 Pro.
Good. Then go to a Play Store and search for the word Bitcoin. Good. And the one with the big B, that one, bitcoin.com wallet, install it. And what you're doing right now is just installing a wallet. You didn't give your personal information to anybody. You are not sharing any privacy issues with anyone. There's your bitcoin.com wallet. It's automatically generating an address, and I'm gonna use my bitcoin.com wallet to give you some money. And now you just press receive. Wonderful. Now I use my wallet. Unfortunately, I didn't prepare for this, so I don't have much money with me. I only have 13 cents. So what I'm doing is just scan your wallet and I give you all the money I have. Okay. I'm giving you all my money now. Florian's receiving all my money. And see, that's not available, so I have to do it slightly slower. Here, that's how it works. Use all available funds. That's how it works. Okay. That's how it works. All available funds. Now see how long does it take.
Oh.
Done. That's it.
Nice.
So within that was less than a minute, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And we didn't rehearse this, did we?
No.
And we literally just met each other like 5 minutes ago. We don't even know each other properly, right? In fact, I haven't even introduced myself properly. Do you still know what's my name?
No.
No, my name is Gabriel. Nice meeting you. What I'm doing this video for is a YouTube channel. Okay. It's called firstmillion.com, educating young people like yourself how to make your own first $1 million for free. I teach everybody for free how to make your own first $1 million. One of the things I talk about is how Bitcoin Cash, not Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash is so easy to use, which is what I just gave you. I gave you Bitcoin Cash within 30 seconds. And in fact, downloading the app takes longer time than using the actual money. And the best part now is you can do the same thing with all your friends. If someone in Österreich wants money, you can give him the instruction like I did, say search for Bitcoin, download the app, and he just needs to send you the wallet address, like an SMS, and you can send him the money, forward him the money I just gave you straight away, and he will receive almost the exact amount of money on his wallet as well. The fee is so low on this network, and the transaction is instant, so that much easier to use compared to any other cryptos. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Easy, yeah.
Yeah. Which other crypto have you ever tried to use?
Yeah, I wanted to buy either Bitcoin or Ripple.
Yes. And was that as easy to do as I just did with you?
No.
Not at all, right?
That's why I stopped again.
Exactly. Thank you so much for the demonstration.
No problem.
And I wish you good luck on your travel.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.